Yeah, it's my boys. What's up, Wayne? What's up, Nico? What's up, Jared? How's it going, guys? What's up, DJ? Um, Alright, give me a second. I need to gather myself. I'm still getting in the zone, yeah. Alright, let's summarize everything very quickly. The last few FOMC streams have played out really well. Alright, that does not mean today is going to play out really well, but I'm sticking to the same exact plan. Alright, so the main market driver throughout this year has been the interest rates rate hike cycle. So the Federal Reserve, the Central Bank of America, has been raising interest rates throughout the year, alright, which is giving us a very strong dollar. We can see that very clearly in the charts, alright. Gold has been downtrending here. Here's the dollar index, and if you look at the dollar to any other currency, you're gonna see we've had dollar strength throughout the year. So now, for the most part, alright, we generally hear about the Fed wanting to increase rates, and the increase is already priced in most of the time. So we can see we've been pushing down here on gold. There's been a bit of consolidation over the last couple of weeks, but generally what we'll see is, okay, you get this kind of buy the rumor, sell the news effect. So we'll see dollar strength from a day-to-day basis, and then once the news is released, we'll get this kind of strong move to the upside. Alright, so this is what we executed on for the last FOMC event. This particular move right here on the last FOMC stream, you can go look back, caught 200 pips here. Closed that trade out actually quite perfectly at about 200 pips. That was an amazing trade. Now what I learned from that, looking back here, is there were some amazing sells that played out as well. So this move up is generally just setting up for better sells. I'm still very interested in the buys with the news, alright, but the way I'm approaching it is the same as last time, same as the time before, same as the time before that, alright. Interest rates are released at 8 o'clock, and then we have the FOMC press conference at 8:30. Now price is going to do exactly what it wants to do from 8 o'clock until 8:30. Once that 8:30 candle opens, I'm waiting for a bottom wick to be formed on the 1 minute time frame. I'm looking for a support to be formed, and I'm looking for buys. Now last time we saw quite a heavy move down here once interest rates were released. Right, this wick on this candle right here dropped about 150 pips, and then what price did is we tapped into this previous low right here, very key area, and we rallied up. So we are waiting for price to move down initially, but like I say, on that 8:30 candle, so that exact candle right there, we're waiting for, or personally I'm waiting for, this wick to form, and that's going to be a support on the 1 minute on the lower time frame, and then we're looking for buys. And then I want to get creative today and stick around for a little bit longer and see if we can potentially get some nice higher time frame sell entries. So looking here on gold, we do have this very key area around, let's say, 1670. So the way I approached FOMC the last few times, like I say, I'm waiting for that 8:30 candle to open. We most likely will see price move down initially, and then we're looking for price to move into some of these previous key areas. So we've got a support right here at 1645. Looking for something like that. There's another nice key level here, 1639. Looking for something like that. You got a daily support right here at like 1633. So yeah, pullbacks into any of these levels are good. Then I'm looking for buys. And then once we start to move up into these higher time frame sell side areas like 1667, 1670, alright, from those levels I'm happy to be taking sells. So that's my plan here on gold. Something I'm looking at for US30 is also just some higher time frame sells. So overall, you know, we are in a bear market. It's moving down very gradually. You can see these relief rallies, alright, in between these squeezes to the downside. You're getting quite strong relief rallies, very much driven by rumors most of the time. So last week we had some BlackRock rumors about Fed pivots. So BlackRock is a very big financial force to be reckoned with, and they came out with some speculation that the Fed may pivot with their interest rates increases, and they may slow down the increasing of interest rates. And then we saw some strength here in US equities, but as we can see, most of the time the interest rate hike cycle is bringing a lot of weakness to these US equities. So if they stick to the same path of increasing interest rates, we should see some nice sells from these areas here on US30. Alright, one thing to mention is there are obviously a few variables here. So there's a few different scenarios that could play out. Alright, so we've got the planned scenario where Fed remains to stay hawkish, alright, focused on fighting inflation. And now that is most likely the scenario we'll see. It's the highest probability scenario, with the Fed still fighting inflation, still increasing interest rates, because that's been their goal throughout the year. And now the economy is still doing alright, better than expected, and the increasing of rates has not yet had an impact on inflation. So for what reason would they really slow down interest rates? Alright, so that's what I'll be looking at. Looking for them to raise interest rates here by 75 basis points, or potentially even 100 basis points. If they were to do that, we would definitely see a lot of dollar strength. Anything less than 75 basis points, we could see some dollar weakness and then some very strong moves here to the upside on gold. This is not really what we want to see, but if that were to happen, this is how we would adjust. And then of course there is the press conference, so that's also going to give us an idea of what's going on. Now if they do mention anything about slowing down of interest rates, we could potentially see a bit of dollar weakness as well. Alright, but we've got about 30 seconds here until the interest rates are released, so let's see how those come out, and then we've got another 30 minutes until I'll be doing anything here. So that's all I have to say, guys. Let's just wait it out and see what happens. I'll get to any questions now. FOMC for fun and overall market direction more than anything. I wouldn't say for fun. I'm winning the lotto tonight, boys. But that's very true. FOMC is going to give us some very clear market direction here. If we do get a 75 basis point rate hike, or let's just say if the numbers are kind of mixed, okay, so there we go. Numbers came out as expected, so far looking very good. But if what they speak about in the press conference gives us a sort of mixed result, then we could just see overall ranging. We're already seeing quite a strong push up here. Vince, just be careful with any USD pairs. This is very volatile news. I'm gonna hop on Discord now, Nico. Yeah, as we push up here, alright, pushing up strong already, so we might have to adapt. Not too bad. We should still have some more room to drive up here at the press conference. I reckon we've easily got another 100 pips to go. Otherwise, like I say, once we start tapping into these higher time frame areas here, these key areas around 1670, I could be looking for sells from those areas. How's it? Fuck, hold on. I got my sound off here. Yeah, Nico?
Hear me?
Yeah, I can. I didn't want to hop on TC now because I'm getting all these notifications right now. And I don't know how to turn them off on my laptop. What? Fuck, Seth. Are you still in your cells here? Nah. Seth from the Discord was in some cells earlier. Yeah. I'm just checking some news here.
I think this is going to run up more, or do you think this is a spark to come back?
It's kind of weird. Generally it doesn't move too much at 8 o'clock. So this is kind of the move that I was looking for. Nothing I can do other than just adapt. So I don't know how much more room there is to the upside here. I'm not going to get like greedy with bars or anything. I'd rather wait and see us tap maybe like 1670. See what we do there.
I'm going to run that out.
Yeah?
I'm going to go to like 72.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon. And then look for some sells from there.
I guess it depends how close you get to help us later on then, eh?
Yeah, we'll see what happens. We could even still retrace most of this candle here. Open up, form a bottom wick on that 30 minute, and then drive up. Last FOMC was 21st of September. Let's see.
I feel like we're going to get to 72 though.
It does the same thing every time. You can even see it here on the dollar index. Once that the interest rates are released, we normally drive down here and then have a move up with the dollar. Quite a strong move down here. But the Fed is sticking to what we expected. So this should bring us a lot of dollar strength, and the fact that we're moving up means that we are setting up for some amazing sells. Are you trading news or waiting? Both. So interest rates have been released 7 minutes ago, but we've got the press conference, which I'm going to wait for. Generally we see some nice moves at 8:30. Nick, I'm going to come back now, eh? Are we in for something new today? That's for sure. The way price is pushing up already, I think that says a lot.
Almost at 200 bucks.
That's fucking crazy. Yeah, this was the last FOMC event. So this big this big push to the downside here was at 8 o'clock as interest rates were released, and then 8:30 we started to move up. So I'm just trusting what I've seen in the past and waiting for something similar to set up, something that I've seen time and time again. If not, like I say, we'll just have to adapt. But you can't be in a rush to hop into a trade. You can't be itching for a trade, especially right now after we've already had that initial push and we still have the press conference in 20 minutes. Right now, the best thing to do is going to be to sit on your hands and just wait. So if we had to redraw these arrows right now, we can still pull back. No, look, I think that's a bit far-fetched. But what we could be looking for at 8:30 could still be something like this. A pullback to test this previous resistance area. Look for buys up to 170, 172. And, you know, we could even pull back down to this support, 1645-ish. And continue moving up. But after such a strong push, I don't want to get too aggressive with buys. If we can get a nice little retest of 1657 on that new 30-minute candle, potential buys up to 1672. Other than that, we may have to just start looking for sales from some of these levels. It's just weird that we've pushed up so much already. But like I say, this could be just setting up for better sales here. You got very similar things going on US30 with these kind of with FOMC. So last FOMC we also had quite a strong move up, very similar to what happened to gold, and then around 8:45, 9 o'clock we started to sell off. So the thing is, we've already had this move up, and as we are retesting these previous highs, if we reject here, this could be a nice level to be taking sells from. Yeah, I think it's best to just wait for 8:30. I'm itching to hop into a US30 position here, but more as a swing, like a swing trade, lower risk. I think we're in a pretty good area for the dollar to find some support here on the dollar index, especially with the news that's just come out. We've got 10 minutes, guys. Patience always pays. Nico, are you still there? Thought you left.
No?
We're gonna go to the driving range soon.
Oh, we can?
Maybe tomorrow. If it's a nice day.
I was gonna say, depends on my weather, but see. What time are you thinking?
After the stream. Like 12 maybe?
We can check.
I got these glasses, like a blue light filter. I actually completely forgot to put them on. Staring at this chart for like more than 2 hours gives me such a headache.
You wanna follow my footsteps?
Yeah?
Don't wanna follow my footsteps.
Yeah. Fuck's sakes. Yeah, you say that, but I actually went and bought some pre-workout the other day. It was like an impulsive buy. We were at Discam. Kaylin had to get some stuff for travels, and then they have like imported stuff. And I got some pre-workout, and I trained legs yesterday. Nico, I had the craziest leg pump I've ever had, dude. I don't want to like, I don't want to tempt you, but fuck's sakes. I have a stimulant-free one as well.
I can't take pre-workout. Eh?
No stimulant-free.
I don't fucking know, but I'm gonna stay away from anything that's got.
It's got no caffeine in it.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I don't feel like it.
It won't make you buff. It'll just give you a nice pump, you know? Yeah. What is that?
I don't feel like I owe another fucking one.
Nah. Alright. Six minutes left. If you're wondering why I keep going back on the chart here, guys, just remember what is on the chart here, the history. This stuff is all very, very valuable. This is free information, free answers all for you right here. The market has answers to all your questions. Previous price data is going to show you what is going to play out in the future, or what has a higher probability of playing out in the future. So I've scrolled back a few times now already. I'm sure some of you are getting annoyed, but I'm just studying. I'm just collecting data. I'm like I don't know if you guys watch UFC. But you know, some of those guys, they like PTN. The first round, you just chill. You're just collecting data, understanding your opponent, what he's doing, making reads, and then round two, when you've got him, when you know what he's doing, you just capitalize, and you get that knockout. So that's what we're going for tonight.
Fuck that. Knock a bitch out in 10 seconds. Easy.
You forget US30 and gold knows how to fight, so you gotta do your homework.
Those things last time punches knock you clean out, bro.
Straight.
You're gonna sleep. Hold please, my friend. This is learn for that.
I got the focus goggles on.
Perfect. gonna stick with US30?
I'm just monitoring it for a more like long-term position. I might even just take this trade off stream because I don't want to give you guys like a 500 pip stop, then someone
Yeah.
blows the account or something.
You want to stream quick? Until the second. So Jared was in the chat earlier, bro, but now I see he's gone again. So I wonder if he's here to trade or if he just came to say how's it.
I think maybe he just came to say how's it. I see he's out and about.
I saw. I think he's. I wonder if he's DJing or.
Where did he say he was?
Fuck knows, bro. I don't know. Where the? He never fucking said where he was, bro.
Nah, man, he did tell us.
Last thing I remember Jared telling us is that he's going for golf somewhere at some place.
Yo,
That's the last.
man's living the high life.
Oh, I don't know. No, I've seen for half something. I've seen some lap of course there on the status. I don't
Yo.
know, man.
I see that too. Charring steaks.
Yeah, I saw that. Eating best. Here's Connor Abrams.
I'm
Yeah.
right here.
No.
Okay, yeah, we've got 40 seconds to go.
It's 30 minutes, bro. I'm drawing pictures if you have like 10 seconds left.
Hey?
Why are you drawing pictures if there's like 20 seconds, 10 seconds?
What do you mean drawing pictures?
I'm joking. The arrows.
That's what I'm looking for.
Here we go.
I mean, if we push straight up, then I'm just gonna wait and look for some sells. Oh, DJ, you're making a joke. I was wondering what you were talking about. Yeah, so far quite a non-eventful FOMC, to be honest.
Yes, I don't know, but I'm getting this feeling in my left toe that this thing's about to duck my guy.
I got some butterflies in my stomach.
She's about to run down, but
Yeah, it's just so weird that we pushed up so much.
Either that's the bottom week on the 30-minute now, oh, and this thing's about to go carry on running up. What's gonna mimic that candle, bro? 200 pip up, 200 pip down. Imagine.
Last time it did 200 pips down, 200 pips up, and then went down like another 300 pips.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that might have been the move up here. I don't see much more upside here. Yeah, I'm gonna hop into some US30 sells, but this is more of a swing trade that I'm putting in here. Formed a nice double top here.
You're setting in your step.
Yeah, my stop's gonna be fucking big. But my target's gonna be even bigger.
So, like, what lot?
I'm more focused on gold, to be honest, though, because I do want to see this move up. That's a nice. Yeah, we got the bottom wick on the 30-minute, flipping. Okay, let's see this candle close. Not convinced. I'm gonna have a buy stop on the break of these highs here. So 66, 400, and just about in. Not just yet. And stops are gonna be below this consolidation area for about 45 pips. So obviously just adjust your lot size accordingly. Stops are fairly big here. Okay, I'm in. I think 70 should be a nice point to at least go break even. Rejecting that zone.
What's the number on your stop loss?
61,5. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, as we tap into 1670 right about here, I'm gonna close half and move stops to break even. Alright, there we go. I've closed half and stops at break even right now. So 26 pips, wow. FOMC, thank you so much. Okay, and I'm out. Fuck. Stops got slipped there.
Oh, yeah, I believe I never got to close anything.
Yeah, here comes the sell-off.
I never got to close anything. There's my stop loss.
Is it?
Yeah, shit.
Yeah, just tap that 70 level and fucked off.
Literally, as I was going in, I was typing in my lot. I just saw it go to negative. Like close out position.
I closed out like $1,000, and then after that retracement and getting slipped on my stop, I got like $200.
But like I was busy typing in a lot to close out the position. Then I was gonna close out 90%. As I was going in to close out the position, it literally just down. Because I typed in the wrong amount I wanted to close out first. I had to type it in again. And it was chalked.
Choked completely. But yeah, managed risk there. Was quick, but had to be done and paid off. US30 is also running nicely here. So for US30, this is more of a swing trade, and I am looking for higher time frame continuation from some of these levels. So I'll be looking to have runner targets back down at the lows at like 28,750. Obviously that's not going to play out today. Let's see if we can. Yeah, let's see how far we push here. Gold, what I'll be waiting for now is for, let's see, for the 15-minute candle to close, and then we can start looking for some entries here on the lower time frames. Yes, these notifications. What would be nice to see, you know what? That move down actually might be a bottom wick for the 30 to drive up. That was a planned out scenario. But what would be nice is to maybe come back up to this 1670 level, double top here, and then we can look for nice sells like that. Gold looks like it is retesting this previous consolidation right here. I thought we were gonna move down there. If we break the lows, yeah, at 1655, 400, I would expect price to continue moving down here.
I tested it perfectly, eh?
Yeah. But I mean, this is actually what was drawn out. This is the lower wick of this 30-minute now. If we are finding support here, we could see some more upside. Retest these levels one more time before we start looking for those sells. Good thing we managed to risk. But yeah, I had to adapt a little bit today. Nah, seriously, how do I turn these notifications off? What time is there? It's 9:45 p.m. Yeah, gold looks so good to move down here. Yeah, at the press conference, they are still talking about a need to continue raising rates, so we should see a lot of dollar strength. Fundamentally, these sells are looking very good. Technically, I'd say they're looking quite good as well. Our 15-minute candle is just closed, nice and bearish. If we can get a nice little top wick, I'm happy to take sells here on the break of the low. Stops are really big, 75 pips. So just obviously be aware when your stops are bigger, you need to lower your lot size.
Maybe you can use current 15 for stop loss, what it's doing now.
Yeah, if we get a nice steep top wick here on this 15, this new 15-minute candle, we can even use that as our stop loss. Or we may even just get better entries. Like I say, if we can push back up to the highs here, form like a double top, then we'll be looking at some nice entries from up there.
See the 1 hour week.
I'm about to get triggered in here, guys. That's a massive wick. Yeah, I think I will use current 15-minute candle stops. That's gonna be, let's just call it 50 pips. So I'm in some sells here.
Just stop loss.
On my Forex funds, my stop is 1660. Obviously, targets are going to be a little bit bigger than that. My TP1 will be the support right over here at 1646. Other than that, I'm leaving higher time frame runners here. For those runners, I'll be looking to move into like the daily lows, 1622, 1623. What's up, Nico?
But if hour comes back and flips, dude, it's probably gonna run down.
Yeah, we've got 10 minutes here. I wonder if the hourly could flip.
Flipping close by 42.
Break that low. And we gone. Yeah, US30 also doing the things here. What a calm FOMC. Is that sell stop active? Yeah, it is. I was in on the break of the lows here. Break of the previous 15-minute lows. Yeah, we're pushing. Pushing.
Oh, she flips.
Okay, your hourly candle is flipping bearish. So this looks really good. You know what, I'd say a good time to go break even. We are up about 50 pips. And I'm going to secure half right here, 50 pips. I had to adapt a little bit today, so 50 pips, I'm very happy. And yeah, that's great. Amazing stuff. Now we just got to leave this to run until next year. And then we'll all buy ourselves Nambos or what?
That sounds like a plan to me.
I don't see price coming back up to these levels for some time. That's a massive rejection as well. Yeah. I'm leaving these runners to do their thing. Daily lows. Let's see. Yeah, we're up about 100 pips here. Definitely a good time to secure some profit. We have tapped into this previous support area. You can see we are reacting right now. So yeah, stop side break even for me. And what I'm gonna do right now is actually I'm gonna close out another 25% right here. At 69 pips. Wow, amazing. Those US30 sales are up like 400 pips. Fucking hell.
You're loud.
My swing trade is already swung. Yeah, it's on the live.
Easy money with monster money.
Eh? Easy money with monster money. Facts. Yeah, for all of these trades, I've got my stops at break even. Yeah, Nico, you're gonna kill me, dude.
You're celebrating again. Show me. What do you want to show me? Show me.
No, I'm taking you for lunch tomorrow. Hey, Keen.
What? Sorry, I'm stopping. What are you saying?
Taking you for lunch tomorrow.
Show me?
Show you what?
There must be a reason you're saying this. What did you do?
Nah, I just about flipped that live account, dude. Fuck. It was an accident. Fuck. I didn't mean to.
I'm a moody. You're over it. We farting, gonna fuck flipping if we fart. I don't care about 100% account. Okay.
Dude, this.
Please show me. Please show me.
Okay, I'll show you. I'm gonna send you a WhatsApp.
Oh fuck! No, put your phone to the fucking camera. Obviously, send me a WhatsApp.
You're not gonna see shit.
Fuck off.
No, I'll send you something on WhatsApp.
Blind joke's nice. It's one being glossy. Oh man, I can't fucking see for real. Send me a WhatsApp. I don't care.
I sent you one.
That's it. What is it? What the fuck? Oh, I see the fucker. Oh, you thought that was a point, yeah, 0.50. Same as a 0.50.
It was at 10. Already closed off. At like 400 pips.
Right?
Hey, yeah, break even.
Why don't you close out full? Because that's like fucking.
Yeah, fuck, you're right.
Close full, bro. That's over 20%. Maybe leave a small runner, leave a small piece runner. But close a lot, like 90% of it or 95%. Just leave something tiny to be.
I'll close another 25%. That's decent, dude.
Can I say to you, Wayne, what you did? Wait.
Yeah, you can tell him.
Put a top lot on US30, but he's gonna That 5 lots. That's
No,
5%
it was a
risk.
10 lot. On a
Oh,
10
yeah,
on
you
a
had running.
10k.
You had running. Oh, you had one running. Ah, you had half running. A 10k. So you risk 10% basically.
I risked what?
10%. I think I had 10 lots.
Yeah, it was actually like 15% or so.
No, I don't mean to your stop loss. To your stop loss is fucking probably over 20%. Not gonna be that for me. I'm saying on 10 pips. That's how I work martial art on 10 pips.
Oh, no, never. Not today. The stops were big, but I would have managed if it went against me.
Yes, so I'm going to rock a mamas tomorrow for free. Thank you. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
I know I am. What do you mean you are? I fucking know I am. Don't
We're
you?
gonna go play. I don't have a girlfriend anymore. I do, but she's away, so I need to make some friends.
No, we don't.
I'm gonna take you for lunch.
We don't need friends.
Nice one, Sid. Let it rock.
Last Friday. 1668. Friend, you buying us lunch? What do you mean Connor's buying us?
1668. Jeez, luck.
These man's almost 200 fucking pips in profit, yeah. You saying let it run like it's nothing.
More. Nice one, Sid.
Oh, fuck.
Thick W. Thanks, Taran. Yes, it's Taran. Taran's killing it there. He bought himself a MacBook from trading, apparently.
Yeah, sure. Darren.
Nah, Taran Williams. I think he's talking shit, though.
What?
He started trading like 2 weeks ago and now he's flexing on the gram.
Maybe you know that beginner luck with a trader.
Yeah, maybe.
80% of beginner traders get a luck, and then they're like, "Ah, I'm a fucking baller. I'm gonna make money in trading."
But Taran's
trading.
putting in work and his charts look good. I think he's putting in some really nice trades.
Why are you doubting him, Connor? Huh? Why
I'm
do
not
you
doubting
think
him.
he's
Nah,
making
I'm
money?
saying he's putting in work. I'm proud of him personally.
He bought that MacBook from trading. Okay. Comes off hasn't had one push ball ever. Not cheesy. He's starting from here.
Ah, yeah. You went to school with me.
Oh wait, no, that's Walker. Oh, bro. Then you also.
Fuck, dude, I can't believe what I just did on this 10k. I really didn't. I didn't think it would run that quickly. Glad it didn't go the other way. Yeah, guys. I mean, this has been a pretty good day.
You going to comment?
Yeah. US30 plus gold, most money I've ever made in one day in my life. Sheesh.
Oh, fucking W spam.
W spam for Wayne. Everybody, W spam for Wayne. That's amazing.
Great.
So Wayne's taking us to Rockamama's tomorrow.
Basically.
Yeah, bro, it's so slow to type a W spam on the phone, eh?
I know, bro.
Fuck.
It's so nice, bro.
Alright, guys, that's gonna be me for the day. Stop so at break even here on gold, as well as US30. And I'm just gonna let these run into some higher time frame targets here. If they get stopped out at break even, you know, that's just the way it goes. US30, I'd really love to leave to run into these previous lows at 28,750 if we don't get stopped out at break even. And then gold, yeah, I'm gonna try my luck and do the same thing here. Try target these lows at 1623. yeah, if we can survive break even and we can break through this area right here, which fundamentally and technically I think that should be a breeze to break through that area. It's just a matter of surviving break even, yeah. And then we should be well on our way to 1623. And if we break 1623, I mean, we could definitely move down to 1577 within the next coming days or weeks. But I'm just going to take my profit off right there at 1623. That's where I'm placing my take profit. And I'm done with these trades. And I'm done for the day. So thank you everybody for joining. Hope you made some money. Hope you managed risk on those initial gold buys. If you never, yeah, I suppose that was your lesson for the day. Thanks again for joining. Cheers everyone. Well done, Wayne. Yeah, no problem, bro. Cheers, Nico. See you tomorrow.
Stream more.
Nice one.